Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to DK Plaza. And we had earlier on showed you how we shampoo this car with our whiteout shampoo, a pH neutral shampoo to decontaminate the paint surface. So we have done that, and now we are getting into the interior first before we go back out to the exterior. All right, so if the camera could come near, we had done a leather cleaning with our new skin wash bio solution, which is an enzyme cleaner. A lot of dirt has come out, but we have these crevices and cracks on the leather. So we would like to advance now to the leather restoration. Okay, so yeah, there are much work to be done, but for us to be effective restorers, we have to remove the seat so that we get full access to the leather seat, the leather piece, and then we can do a much better job than just doing from the outside. Okay, we're going to remove the two front seats. So after dealing with the seat, we are dealing with other parts of the car. If there are any leather surface fault, it will be dealt with. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like our videos so that you can see the rest of the other work. Thank you. Hello, good morning. We are displaying the Maserati driver seat before you here. We had actually cleaned the first round on these leather seats, but we feel that we need to clean even more. Maybe the camera could come to shoot from this angle. Yeah, this you see the black tone, and there are some more black dirt or soil into these grains, cracked grains, crevices, discoloration, abrasion over this side. Yeah, over this side, and yeah. So looks like we have a two-tone situation here, which is a typical Italian design seat color. The cover has one color and the seat has another. So very likely we would take the color from here or at the back of the headrest as the actual color for the seat. Okay, looks like the thread. Yeah, we can color over the thread because there is no differential in colors except for this strip here. So, yep, we're going to begin a more thorough cleaner, perhaps steel skin bio solutions. But after the first, after one round of skin bio solution, we'll probably go right ahead with IPA. Yeah, of course, we have another technician that would copy the color from the headrest when we are ready to color this part of the seat. Okay, this is just a review for you to see how we can do leather restoration well, and we hope that those of you who are interested subscribe our post and do send us inquiry. We will respond to you any part of the world. SDK is global, and we represent style for the leather restoration products. Okay, thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like us. Okay, hello and welcome back to the leather restoration for the Maserati seats. So we had recolored like twice or three times and a little bit of touch up here and there, and now it's ready for a top coat. Now it is very important to have a right top coat mixture. It can be extremely gloss, or it can be totally matte, or it can be in between, or you can mix 70-30, 80-20. Whereas in this case, through our experience, Maserati is always 70-30, that means 70 dull and 30% gloss, okay? So I'm going to spray. I'm not wearing my cap because I'm just going to spray a little bit just to show you, and the rest will be done by my colleague, okay? So this is how we apply the top coat, by spraying randomly for the first round, casually, and usually we are not very detailed because we just want to get the surface with a spray, and then after the first round of spraying, we usually sand it and to get a feel of it, and later on we will seriously top coat it in detail, and that is where my colleague would wear the safety mask and so on. So right now is just briefly just to check if the top coat does produce the finish that we want. Okay, thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like our videos.